Backpacks and mysteries. Uncovering the first days of sea turtles. Imagine an army of tiny newborn turtles, each with a miniature backpack strapped on, navigating a secret path filled with obstacles beneath the sand. Their goal: reaching the ocean, their world of freedom. But what exactly do these minuscule adventurers face in this dark, hidden journey? For the first time, scientists have finally unveiled the mystery of the days these hatchlings spend concealed beneath the surface. Using cutting-edge technology, they've unlocked new insights that could reshape the course of sea turtle conservation. The hidden journey beneath the sand. Picture yourself buried under layers of dark sand, moving along a pathway to a place you've never seen before. For hatchling sea turtles, this is not a dream but an intense, real-life journey. Right after emerging from their shells at the bottom of a sandy nest, these young turtles begin their race towards the ocean, a journey that has long intrigued scientists and conservationists around the world. Recently, researchers took a leap forward in understanding these initial days by creating special backpacks for hatchlings. These innovative backpacks are equipped with technology to record unseen details about the movements and behaviors of these tiny ocean heroes. But what exactly happens during this crucial stage of the turtles' lives? And how might these new findings help protect these endangered species? The Great Journey Beneath the Sand. Each year, during the nesting season, adult sea turtles emerge from the salty waters to return to the beaches where they were born. Following their powerful instincts, they come ashore to lay their eggs in soft, warm sand, digging nests as deep as 80 centimeters. Each nest can contain dozens or even hundreds of eggs, carefully left behind to incubate under the sun's warmth. After several weeks, the eggs finally hatch. Yet, the hatchlings don't make an immediate break for the surface. On average, they spend 3 to 7 days hidden under the sand, in tiny, dark spaces with little oxygen. During this time, they are small and vulnerable, needing to gather energy, coordination, and strength for the momentous final dash to the ocean. Understanding these hidden days could provide scientists with valuable insights into improving hatchling survival rates. These little ones face countless threats, from natural predators to the impacts of climate change. If scientists can piece together what happens during these early days, they might be able to better support these hatchlings through the critical initial stages of life. Early efforts to uncover the mystery. For decades, scientists have been curious about what actually happens in the nests after the eggs hatch. Numerous attempts have been made to observe hatchlings in action, ranging from placing glass panels under the sand to installing microphones to capture the sounds of movements within nests. Unfortunately, these methods only provided limited data, and the results were inconclusive. We rarely consider how much effort these tiny hatchlings exert just to move through the sand, says Lisa Schwanz, one of the lead researchers in this study. They're there, right under our feet, fighting their way up to the surface, starting their journey to the ocean. But until now, we lacked the technology to truly understand how this process unfolds. Still, the vision of uncovering these hidden moments remained alive. A passion for helping these turtles survive kept the research going, until finally, a new, revolutionary approach started to yield the answers that scientists had longed for. Turtle backpacks, a game-changing technology. The breakthrough happened on Heron Island, a small island off the eastern coast of Australia. Known as a long-term monitoring site for green turtle nests, Heron Island provided the perfect setting for these groundbreaking experiments. Researchers developed a device that could detect small changes in electrical currents within the soil, allowing them to identify exactly when hatchlings began to emerge. After confirming this timing, scientists would carefully dig down to the nest and retrieve a hatchling close to the surface, ready to be equipped with a very special backpack. This backpack is actually an accelerometer, a device that measures changes in speed and direction. Lead researcher Davy Dorr explains that the accelerometer used in the backpack records movements across 3 different axes: forward and backward, up and down, and side to side. This setup provides a 3D view of how the turtle maneuvers within its nest. Once outfitted with the backpack, the hatchling is carefully reburied in the nest in the exact spot where it was found. From there, the accelerometer records every movement the young turtle makes. The data collected offers a fascinating glimpse into their journey, revealing everything from the direction they orient themselves to the force and frequency of their movements. A true travel log for the little explorer. Surprising discoveries. What happens beneath the sand? The data gathered from these tiny backpacks has revealed unexpected insights. According to Dorr, the hatchlings consistently orient themselves with their heads pointed upward, even without visual or light cues. It appears these little turtles possess an internal compass that guides them towards the surface. Another fascinating discovery is that the hatchlings alternate between short bursts of movement and rest. Surprisingly, these movements are more similar to swimming than digging, suggesting that hatchlings instinctively know the coordinated movements necessary for survival once they reach the ocean. As they near the surface, the hatchlings exhibit yet another intriguing behavior. They limit their movements to nighttime hours. Even beneath the sand, they seem to recognize the difference between day and night, instinctively waiting for darkness to make their final dash to the sea. This suggests that the hatchlings have evolved a strategy to avoid predators that are more active during the day, a remarkable adaptation for survival. New hope for sea turtle conservation. While these discoveries may seem like small details, they hold immense importance for sea turtle conservation. Understanding the hatchlings' behavior within the nest could lead to improved management practices for nesting sites. In many parts of the world, conservation initiatives involve relocating nests to safer areas, often shaded or even irrigated, to protect them from threats like climate change and rising sea levels. However, changes in nesting conditions, such as humidity and temperature, could impact hatchling development, potentially affecting their mobility and survival skills. The more researchers understand the hatchlings' needs during this critical period, the more effective conservation measures can be. Lisa Schwanz emphasizes the importance of this newfound knowledge. While we know that hatchlings face numerous predators as they race across the sand to reach the water, it's also true that some of them never make it to that point, she explains. Understanding what prevents some hatchlings from emerging could mean the difference between life and death for these animals. Science and passion for preservation. The image of a small turtle, with a high-tech backpack attached to its shell, struggling upward in a silent, unseen battle, is truly moving. This small backpack represents not only an incredible advancement in science, but also the passion of scientists, activists, and enthusiasts striving to protect these marine creatures. Each discovery adds another piece to a puzzle that could secure the future of sea turtles as they continue to face environmental challenges. Researchers hope that by documenting every phase of hatchling life, they can better guide environmental policies and conservation actions to help more turtles complete their journeys. Though small, these backpacks symbolize a significant step forward for science and offer a ray of hope for preserving one of the planet's oldest and most fascinating creatures. The future of turtle backpack research. This research is only just beginning. The next step is to expand the use of backpacks to other species of sea turtles and across various regions worldwide. Each species has unique behaviors and habits, and with this technology, scientists can begin to understand the specific characteristics of each one. These efforts reflect a pursuit of innovative solutions at a time when sea turtles and countless other marine species face increasing risks due to human actions. Climate change, ocean pollution, and the destruction of natural habitats all impact sea turtles, who rely on the marine environment to survive. Science, in partnership with technology, continues to expand the horizons of conservation. This new technology and the data revealed by turtle backpacks not only satisfy scientific curiosity but also offer a tangible opportunity to support the survival of these resilient creatures. As more data is collected and analyzed, scientists and conservationists gain new tools to address one of the most pressing challenges in marine life. And with these backpacks, each tiny turtle may now have an ally in its race to the ocean.